Listen, love isn't just a feeling, it's something we build, something we create, something we live. Today, we're bringing that into our homes. I love decorating for the seasons, but this year I wanted something that wasn't just beautiful, but I wanted one that actually meant something. So I created a coffee bar that feels intentional, peaceful, and filled with love. Before we get started, I just want to show you a recent purchase that I made from Amazon. Actually, well, it wasn't that recent. I've had it for a little while. I just haven't opened it yet. I was waiting for the perfect moment. Of course, I'll be washing these bottles. It's a little bit dusty. I'm a little grossed out, but these ones are an upgrade from the ones that I currently have. As you can see, they have gold spouts. So cute, so pretty, so perfect for this moment. These bottles come with a cute little golden spoon, a spout, and an extra straw just in case you need it, along with an additional gold spout. I actually thought I was going to be able to get away with leaving the washing job for later and that I could use my current bottles and just give them a little rinse out and go. I was pleasantly surprised to see the new bottles actually had a larger opening, which is so helpful when you're cleaning them. I had to go back to my original plan and use the new bottles. I went ahead and did what I had to do to get them ready. These bottles also came with a super cutesy little tray, which I thought was so adorable. I could probably use it for something else. I don't think I'm going to use it in this project this time, but who knows? Every season I refresh my home, but this time I wanted something different, something that feels soothing, inviting, and full of truth. The world moves so fast sometimes. I just wanted to create a space that reminds me to pause, reflect, and just be still. Just think, when you're surrounding yourself with things that carry meaning, your space actually begins to reflect something greater than just decor. It actually reflects peace, love, and purpose. I'm going to start with the foundation. How fitting. This is a large wooden tray from Walmart. It was extremely affordable. It's going to keep everything anchored and looking organized so it doesn't feel cluttered. In this case, I am not going to be using much on this tray. However, my look is definitely going to be cohesive. This vase used to be yellow, but now it's exactly what I wanted. This was a HomeGoods find that I purchased last year. Doing DIYs on some of these decor pieces kind of reminds me of how God works on us. He takes what feels out of place and refines it and turns it into something with purpose. So let's make a perfect home for these florals. Because I have a short space to work with, I don't want to cut my stems because I definitely want to have longevity of their use in various vase sizes. So this is the easiest way for me to use them. I'm just going to go ahead and bend them all. Most of my stems are often purchased from Hobby Lobby, but there are a few that are Walmart. The olive branches are a mix of Walmart and Hobby Lobby. The deep roses symbolize love that endures. Dusty pink represents the gentleness and grace. The olive branches remind me of peace and favor. It also is a reminder of divine covering. This beautifully framed floral arrangement was purchased from Hobby Lobby this season, and I got it for a beautiful 40% off. When I saw this, it just reminded me of pure love and romance. Before the 40% discount, this was $14.99. This was such a warm, tender-hearted piece. It fits in perfectly with the atmosphere that I am trying to create. We recently purchased this Keurig Cafe, not only for its brushed nickel beauty, but also for its functionality. This heart-shaped wicker was so cute from Hobby Lobby. I didn't like that placement, so I had to get rid of it. Unfortunately, my syrup dispensers did not have a label for the lavender that I want to use in my lavender milk matcha. I recently purchased this very aesthetic Bible from Amazon. I was just trying to build to my collection. If you already know me, you know that I like to place Bibles in various areas around the house when I am decorating. When we are simmering down with a nice cup of coffee, tea, hot chocolate, it is so good to be able to just sit and read a comforting verse. Here I have it set to Corinthians 13. I found these Target heart-shaped mugs over at the dollar spot, and they are oh so cute. I love the transparency, but yet a little pop of pink. Let me tell you, this was absolutely irresistible. The fact that they were only $3 with a lid, that was a total win. Light is so powerful. It represents guidance, warmth, and his presence. In the tabernacle, the lampstand never went out. I'm filling this heart-shaped wicker tray with some of our favorite coffee and hot chocolate pods. You can also fill it up with tea pods, which tea is my thing. Bustelo, espresso, red velvet, latte, and hot chocolate. Of course, we're going to need some sweet treats on the tray. So we are going to fill the tray up with some sugar cookies, mini Valentine's Day cakes, and of course, some Hershey Kisses. Hospitality is not about perfection. It's about creating an area that people can feel seen, welcome, and loved. I'll be the first to tell you that I love to make these yummy cafe drinks. However, I have not perfected the art of doing it with creativity without making a mess. Thank God for the editing and the shots. So let me tell you about this. This vanilla honey cinnamon latte is very smooth. I'm not a coffee drinker, and I found it to taste very comforting. You gotta try this. It was super yummy. I was pretty surprised. I would definitely say this is a Valentine latte. I would definitely love to know if you guys would try this setup. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you love faith-filled home inspiration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I have so many more creative home decor, faith-inspired videos coming soon. Okay, so since you guys are still here, I want to leave you guys with this. So love was never meant to be a moment, a holiday, or a fleeting feeling. Love was meant to dwell. When God instructed Moses to build the tabernacle, he didn't tell him to create something temporary. He gave specific details. He wanted a place where his presence could dwell. A place where love wasn't just spoken of, it was felt, it was experienced, it was lived. All too often we use the word love so loosely, but love isn't something that just comes and goes. It's a choice, it's a decision that you make. Love is a conscious thing that you make room for intentionally. 1 Corinthians 13 says, love never fails. Because when something dwells, it doesn't leave, it remains in its place. So here's a question as I leave you today. Is love really dwelling in your life, or do you think that love is just passing through? I am extremely satisfied with the way how this coffee bar came out. It encompasses everything that I was going for in this tabernacle inspired coffee bar creation. This coffee bar is definitely not about trends, and this look is timeless. This look will definitely last till the end of time. I just want to say I am so thankful for you, God. You give me creativity, you give me light, and you gave me Jesus. If this resonates with you, drop a heart in the comment section. We love you guys, and we will see you guys in the next video later. Bye.